Guys, welcome to the video. My name is Jay Flatout, and today I want to talk about how and if, if and how Adams polishes became one of the #1 Hypebeast brands in the automotive community. But first, they did send me a gift, and it would only be fitting to wear it during this video. All right, that's better. Anyway, so if you don't know, Adams Polishes is one of the premier detail spray and car cleaning and car detailing product manufacturers that's based in the United States. They compete with Meguiar's, Ammo, you know, there's Griot's and Leno's Garage, you know, so some of the few. But so here's the thing, right? When you're talking about detailing spray, there's no difference between what this detailing spray will do and what this detailing spray will do. But this one is worth a lot more. Same thing. This detail spray will do the same job as this detail spray, but this is worth a lot more. Finally, this detail spray, the same one, it will do the same job as this detail spray, but again, this one is worth a lot more. So I want to talk about why, and I want to try to figure out what it is and how you can take this detail spray and this detail spray that do the same thing and create a hype pop culture in the automotive space. So by definition, a hype beast is slang for someone who is a beast or obsessed about hype, usually in fashion, and will do whatever it takes to obtain that desired hype. Now, generally that's referred to in clothing, things like the Yeezys, Supreme, Bape, you know, Jordan, Off-White, stuff like that, fashion brands, right? Where there's a limited amount of that shoe or there's a limited amount of that product, and by virtue of the limited status of it, it still retails for the same amount of money, but the resale is worth more, right? So like the Yeezys that you saw earlier, those all retail at $220. If you can get a set from the Adidas store or directly from the company that makes them, whatever it is, if it's Off-White, Nike, whatever, you know, you're gonna pay what the MSRP is, so the $220. But if you go on sites like StockX, you can see some of those shoes, those black and red ones, they retail for almost $900, or they resale, sorry, for almost $900. So essentially, like, this is a $20 bottle of spray or $13 bottle of spray. This is a $13 bottle of spray, this is a $13, and this is a $13. But if you were to go on eBay and see, let's pull up some examples here. The pumpkin spice, I'll put them on the screen, but the pumpkin spice from last Halloween, which I did have, but I used it actually, is going for $51. The limited edition Holiday 16 is going for $51. And then this Cars and Coffee is going for $61 plus $15 in shipping. I've seen them go for $150 to $200 for some of the certain stuff. So what Adams' marketing department has managed to do is create a product where it's a staple, right? We all know what this is. If you like this product, you'll use it, but this is the one you want to use. If you don't, then there's the more limited stuff, right? So this one is the 4th of July. It says limited edition right there. And by virtue of that, it won't be out again, so you can't get this bottle anymore other than in a resale environment. Same with this. You could only get this by attending the Cars and Coffee in their Colorado office. Same with this one. This was limited as well. So they've created a culture where there is anticipation for the release of these certain sprays, and now they've built the collectability where personally I'll never spray either of these. I'll spray these all day because these you can get at any time, but these will never be sprayed. And as collections are growing, so is the value of those collections, and it's really a phenomenon that we haven't really seen too much in the automotive industry. We've seen it with like the RDB Porsche. You know, if you don't know, it's like $100,000 conversion. If you have a certain Porsche, the guy will fly over from Japan or China, I'm not even really sure, that's not my space, but he'll customize it in a way, and that's obviously highly desired and highly specialized, but there's no real automotive brand that has built a culture and a following like Adams has, and it's actually relatively impressive. Along with the detail spray, there's also various clothing collaborations that they've done. Again, limited edition, very small supply, and again, they've just created a very loyal and true following where, you know, if you, like when this one came out, luckily I was able to get it, but the Adams website went down because of this, you know, and that's just crazy, you know, because you think, right, if you compare these two, they both do the exact same thing, and not even in a shit-talking way. Literally, the instructions on the back say the same thing. The explanation says the same thing. These do the same thing. But even me, as somebody who likes collectible things that, you know, you've seen, if you follow my channel at all, you've seen my shoe collection, you know, I'll never spray these. So, you know, by virtue of that, they have created a hype following. And to Matt Butcher is the marketing director of Adams Polishes, and him and I actually know each other personally away from this, and we both enjoy, you know, the rare hype style clothing and shoes, and he's honestly done an astounding job in taking that culture and applying it to Adams Polishes. So, like I said, fair play to him. Very well done. Very solid business plan, and you know, I love the products. I use Adams stuff, and you know, we've tried different detail stuff. I have details videos regarding Adams versus Chemical Guys, Adams versus Jay Leno's Garage, different things of that nature, and I just got a big care package from them, so we may be doing some more videos, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of sit down and really break down, you know, what the branding and what the culture behind Adams was, and share my thoughts on it. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Just wanted to share my opinion on kind of the growth and the expansion and the hype of the Adams Polishes limited edition detail sprays. Their link will be in the description below. Check them out. They're always running sales. They're always doing mystery boxes, which are really fun and interesting. Kind of, you buy like $50 or $75 and you get a mystery box, exactly what it says it is. So I'd like trying those out too and seeing what you get. And sometimes you can get like $200 gift cards or stuff like that in there. So it's good to check it out. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next video.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.